Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Pip Value Calculator Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool automates the process of working out Pip values directly on your charts, so you do not have to calculate them manually. In this video you will learn what it calculates, how it is displayed, and why it can be so useful for risk management. The Pip Value Calculator Indicator for MT4 is designed to automatically compute Pip value in real time for the instruments you are trading. It factors in the current currency pair, the chosen lot size, and the account currency to output P values. This removes the need for separate formulas or external calculators when planning trades. When loading the indicator, you will have to allow DLL imports to be able to use it. As you can see, once attached to the charts, the indicator will display the P value information on the screen for the active symbol. As you can see here, traders can see the P value update as needed while planning position size, stops, and targets. This makes it easier to connect chart distance with monetary risk and potential reward in each trend. As you can see, it has your deposit currency in USD, your lot size requested, value of 1 point of your chosen currency pair, and value of 1 pip over here. Its settings is relatively simple, and you can check it out in the inputs with its half lot size, and you can adjust this number to anyone that suits your trading need. I'm going with 2, and then its color, I'm leaving it as black so it can be easily seen. And I close this, and you can see my lot size requested has been changed, and it's a very simple tool. The Pip Value Calculator Indicator is useful for traders who want to streamline risk management by knowing Pip values instantly for different symbols and lot sizes. It does not generate trade signals and should be treated purely as a calculation and information tool. Traders still need to apply their own position sizing rules and risk parameters around the values it provides. You can download the Pip Value Calculator Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This has been a quick overview from the Forex Geek on how automated p-value calculations can support more precise risk control. If you like practical MT4 tools just like this one for risk and trade planning, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more tutorials.